Discover the miraculous elixir for healthy blood pressure. This homemade remedy is a game changer. Say goodbye to high blood pressure issues with natural ingredients you already have at home. In ancient times, folk medicine reigned supreme. Today, it's making a powerful comeback. Embracing all-natural solutions that nurture rather than burden our bodies is the trend. Get ready for a blood pressure regulating mixture that's a total game changer. Gather your ingredients. For organic lemons, don't ditch the peel. 4 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of grated, peeled ginger. 2 cups of water. Let's whip it up. Start by giving those organic lemons a good rinse and then chop them up. Toss them in a bowl with the peeled garlic cloves and grated ginger. Armed with your immersion blender, work your magic. A food processor works wonders too. Transfer the mixture to a pot, add water, and let it dance on the stove for about 5 minutes. Once it cools down, pour it into a jar, seal it, and let it chill in the fridge. Sip your way to success. Kickstart your day with a glass of this solution on an empty stomach. Commit to this routine for roughly 3 weeks. Want to sweeten the deal? Add a dollop of natural honey to taste. This isn't just about blood pressure, it's a full body boost for your blood vessels and immune system. Perfect for those chilly months. Let's talk benefits. Garlic takes center stage, stabilizing blood pressure and giving your circulatory system some serious love. It's a natural antibiotic, a go-to for angina, and a superhero for respiratory health. And lemons? They're packing a serious vitamin C punch, your immune system's best friend. Get ready to kickstart a healthier you. Don't forget to subscribe and watch another interesting videos on my channel.